All right, well, we've had enough of the inside work. We need to get outside and enjoy our property a bit more. So today, Amy and I are gonna snowshoe down to the bottom half of our property and pack a lunch and make it a lunch date. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. This lunch date was brought to you by AllPowers. Looks like a good spot.
Yeah, let's see that. Let's see the
Mountain range.
visual view.
Yeah.
Okay.
What have we got in the bag? Chair for you.
Thank you.
Chair for me. Before we unpack anymore, let's take our snowshoes off.
Yeah, good plan.
All right.
Okay.
Well, on a cold, beautiful day like today, I think having a hot drink and a hot meal would be great. So I packed the kettle
Nice.
and some water.
Okay.
We'll heat the water with our AllPowers R2500 solar generator.
That's cool.
Oh, here's the heater for the kettle.
Oh, that's good.
I brought taquitos. Have a nice hot lunch.
Nice.
Here's a mug for you
Thank you.
and a mug for me.
Thank you.
And then, let's see, what else in here? Oh, I got the air fryer. Because, you know, why not? We'll start our lunch with a hot drink. Set the kettle there. We'll turn on. And we'll go ahead and turn on the AC and plug this in. So now, all right, so the kettle's drawing 1,400 watts out of our 2,500 available. Now we'll do the true test to see if it'll run the air fryer and the electric kettle at the same time. All right, and then this one says start. All right.
Nice.
So now we're pulling. Oh,
Oh, no.
can't do it. So both of them started drawing 3,100 watts. So that tripped it. So we're gonna go ahead and reset it and we'll do one and then the other. So we found that the 2,500 watts was exceeded by the 3,000 watts that we were trying to draw out of it. So because of the math, we're gonna do our drink first and then we'll do our air fryer.
This really is a very pretty spot.
Yeah, I love it down here.
You need to do something down here.
Like a fire pit, or what are you thinking?
Yeah, like a gathering place, like a big
Yeah, that'd be a fun place to kind of hike down to after dinner and have a campfire.
Yeah.
All right. Our water's ready.
Nice. Thank you.
Can I borrow the spoon?
The spoon.
We only brought a spoon.
Well, we didn't want to overload your weight.
Yeah, tell me about it. Okay. Well, cheers. Before I sit down again, I'm going to get the air fryer going. All right.
Okay.
Preheating the air fryer. It smells like fish sticks. Look at this. The heat is keep my leg warm. We should definitely figure out how we want to develop this part of the property. It's preheated. Add our taquitos. All right, 8 minutes till lunch.
Okay.
You know, the sun's coming up. I wonder if I packed the solar panels. We should charge this thing. Oh, I did. Let's get this set up. Oh, our lunch is ready. Ooh, yeah.
Yum.
Yummy. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. It's like it was in the oven. So AllPowers makes this really nice foldable solar array. That's a 400 watt array. And I was actually pretty surprised that the last time when we tested it, we actually got 400 watts out of it. I've never gotten the rated wattage out of any solar panels. So they've done something right. They've either undersold it or have overbuilt it, but either way, it's pretty nice. This goes right in here, just like that. Now we can charge our battery while we eat our lunch. All right, charging at 314 to 16 watts. Took about 20% of our battery to make our lunch.
Not bad.
Mmm. Ooh.
So hot.
Hot. Mmm.
I don't took a minute.
Nice hot lunch after a snowshoeing.
Mm-hmm.
I love that valley over there between the hills. I could sit here all day.
I know, actually.
But
It's not even that cold.
no, it's beautiful.
It's actually warm. With the sun like beating down.
Well, ready for the hike back?
Yeah.
All right, let's get packed up.
Okay. I'm stay put.
All right. Okay.
Okay, I'm coming. I gotta carry these heavy sticks.
Okay, thank you. All right, come on, blaze the trail. Walking like, So I know most of you are not going to be taking this on your next snowshoeing expedition. So how would you use it? This I see us using anytime we need power away from the building and don't want to drag a generator with us, or it's too much of a job for our battery powered tools. We love our battery powered tools, but sometimes you just need power. And this unit has a lot of power. Turn on the main power. Turn on the AC. The track saw is the test. Let's see if it'll run it. Flawless. Let's talk about what I think is the most practical way that someone would use one of these portable power stations. Let's say that this lamp is your freezer full of frozen food. If you lose power, you don't want that to thaw, no matter what time of year it is. This works as an uninterruptible power supply, or UPS, where it has a 12 millisecond response time. So if the power goes out, like this, it switches over to battery just that quickly. And then when the power comes back on, it switches back to the power. On the display, it also shows you how long this will run this device off of battery power. The AllPowers R2500 consists of a 2500 watt inverter with a surge capacity of 4,000 watts. Inside this housing is a 2016 watt hour lithium iron phosphate battery. As far as the outputs go, on the front you have 4 USB outlets, 2 USB-C outlets, you have 4 110 volt outlets, you have 1 110 volt RV style outlet with a 20 amp rating. Then over here you have a car adapter outlet, 12 volts, as well as a 12 volt plug. You can also have up to 6 expansion batteries for the R2500. The entire unit is a comfortable 64 pounds. It will accept up to 1,000 watts of solar input. The portable power station can be used simultaneously while charging. So you can have the solar panels hooked up to it while you're using it, or you can be charging it with the AC charger. AllPowers also has a very robust app, which allows you to turn off either the AC loads, the USB loads, or the DC loads. It also tells you what your input and output wattages are. From the app, you can also see how many days you have remaining, your remaining power, which devices are turned on, which ones are off. Having a portable power station is a great addition to anyone's preparedness. It's much better than having a noisy generator or fuel cans laying around. If you want to learn more about the AllPowers power station solutions, you can visit our link in the description below, and be sure that at checkout you use our coupon code 1KG10 for 10% off site-wide. We'll see you guys on the next one.